Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make some banana mango nice cream. This is really easy and fast to whip up. You use whatever food processor or blender you have. I have a mini food processor here that I'm going to use. And so to this I'm going to add 1 sliced frozen banana and 1/3 cup of frozen mango chunks. And then I'm going to add 6 red grapes. They can be fresh or frozen. These are not frozen, but we're going to add them in there anyway. They'll be just fine. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of orange juice. And then you want 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. I keep extra coconut milk in the freezer. These were frozen. I did get them out to try to thaw them a little bit. That's it, and all we want to do is blend this up, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's blended. Now this is really fast and easy to blend up. You see it does have some speckles in there, and that's from the skin of the grapes. If you don't want that in there, you could use a high-speed blender, and that should really break them up very well. Or you could leave the grapes out. I include the grapes in there for the sake of a little bit of extra sweetness. You could put something else in there or leave them out altogether. It's really fine. However you want to do it, it's up to you. I like it just like it is. Now that makes 1 really large serving or 2 more moderate servings. I make 2 servings out of it. And if I have extra, I just keep it in the freezer. And then I just take it out and let it warm up just a little bit before I'm ready to eat it. Well, the recipe is below. Give this a try sometime. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.